Okay, hello everybody. Today we're going to look at how to lock or unlock your keyboard in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. This is perfect if you want to prevent any accidental key presses or simply need to disable your laptop for a bit. Now this is very easy. First go to your physical keyboard, and to lock your keyboard, simply press and hold the shift key for 8 seconds. Not the shift key on the left hand side, mind you. It needs to be the shift key on the right hand side. So just hold it down, and after 8 seconds, you will hear a beep and you will see a pop-up message on your screen. And let's check that message. It will say something like disable the keyboard shortcut for ease of access settings. If you click yes, your keyboard will be locked and you will not be able to type anything. So I've just locked my keyboard, and as you can see, I'm trying to type something here, but nothing has happened. It's completely locked. Now to unlock it, it's very easy. Just go back to your physical keyboard and press and hold the shift key again for about 8 seconds. After that, you will hear another long beep. Your keyboard will be unlocked and you can start typing again. So let's do it together. I'm holding the shift key now for about 10 seconds. Here we go. Now I heard the beep. Now if I go to Notepad, I can start typing and everything is normal. So my keyboard is now unlocked. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.